Reorientation. I've been thinking about reorientation and the role it may play in the emergence of possibilities. What interests me is that reorientation does not appear to be merely a change in direction. Instead, it seems to be a process through which participation changes understanding, and understanding changes what appears possible. One way of describing this process is, participation generates feedback. Feedback contributes to learning. Learning becomes integrated into understanding. Understanding produces a richer sense of what is possible. With a richer sense of what is possible, additional possibilities become apparent, and what matters now becomes clearer. What I find interesting about this formulation is that it shifts attention away from decisions and toward understanding. The question is no longer simply which possibility should be chosen. The question becomes how possibilities become apparent in the first place. Through participation, we encounter both successes and limitations. Those experiences generate feedback. As that feedback is integrated into understanding, our sense of what is possible becomes richer. Possibilities that were previously overlooked, poorly understood, or difficult to appreciate can become increasingly apparent. At the same time, what matters now can become clearer. Not because a final answer has been discovered, but because understanding has changed the landscape of possibilities through which participation occurs. From this perspective, reorientation is not something separate from experience, learning, or understanding. It is the process through which they contribute to a richer sense of what is possible and a clearer sense of what matters now. If participation often becomes easier when there is more than one possibility available, then understanding the process through which possibilities become apparent may be important for understanding participation itself.